Hi, my name is Catherine Francis. I completed my BCom in St. Anne's Degree College. Now, currently, I'm working with Tata Consultancy Services. So it's been 2 years that I've been completed St. Anne's Degree College, and I was also secretary of St. Anne's Degree College in my final year. I would like to share my experience or moreover feedback about our college. Today also I'm proud to say that I was a part of Anite's family. A couple of years back, the very first day, I was in a fear, doubt on what I'm going to do all these 3 years of my course, how I'm going to build myself, how I'm going to mold myself. These are only my questions. But I still remember in my schoolings also I was a last bench student only. I never used to take part in any extracurricular activities such. But here, despite of maintaining my academic scores and performing consistently well in all my academics, I was able to take part in many extracurricular activities. And the only reason I would say is our management, our lecturers, the liberty that they gave us, the freedom that they gave us. It's completely different. What they want from us was not just studies, they want us to excel everywhere and all the times. So big credit goes to our management teams. Because of this, which I was able to get into TCS through campus interview. TCS was one of the company which came for campus interview. So I got selected in that, and I'm still working in that company. Now also I have been like recognized in my team as a night student. So I'm very proud to tell that I came out with the flying colors in St. Anne's Degree College. I just wanted to share few key words which I learned from St. Anne's was learn, grow, innovate, make friends, and meet people. Most importantly, break the shell of ourselves. Which each one of us do today is cover ourselves with a shell where we are not able to show our talent. So sentence will help us to break the shell, come out of the shell and shine. So this what sentence did to me. I hope sentence will also do for each one of you. And I still remember our principal Nisha Joseph ma'am saying that whatever you do, do your best every day. Do your best every day. Give your best every day. That one point made me to reach so far. I hope this will help for each one of you who are listening to this. And I'm proudly, and now also I'm very proud to say that I'm a sentence student. So thank you so much what sentence did to me. Hope and I promise you that sentence will give for every woman their rights. Thank you so much.